Welcome, everyone, and I have to say again, there is nothing that can compare with the feeling before a game. The bustle in the stands, the sounds, the lights, the thrill of the parking lot.
The thrill of the parking lot?
Jim, you just don't understand because you're not a thrill seeker.
Chelios knocks the puck loose. Lemieux has it now. Yager goes offside and the play is stopped. Sillinger now with it. Menela corrals it. Whitney dumps it in. Sillinger scoops it up and it gives him the business. Menela jumps on the loose puck. Joseph shut the door.
That save makes me a happy man. Happy like Dusty the rodeo clown.
Breakaway. Shoots the puck. Van Imp in control now. Fires it. Hits the post. Whitney grabs the puck. Detroit puts its scoring line out. It's 1-on-1. Brewer. White gets the puck. Detroit has it. Lemieux. It's 1-on-1. Shanahan rips it. Saved by Denis.
There was no chance of that shot going in. Well, maybe a little chance.
Stumple shoots. Saved by Joseph.
Another night, another game, another save. And yet, it's never boring.
Yager shoots the puck. Shanahan jumps on it. Sanderson. He gets laid out. Lidstrom gets hold of the puck. Yager. Huge shot. Denis turned the shot aside. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Chelios shoots it. Ruchin gets crushed. Donato. He gets bumped off the puck. Scooped up by Detroit. Chelios. Columbus has it now. Columbus puts its scoring line out. Donato with the puck. Harkins grabs it. Heavy shot from the left. Blocked. Caberlet grabs the puck. Adams has it. Chatan. Fires! Denis denies him.
Not tonight. Not this net. No how.
Gobin shoots. Adams gets in the way. Nieuwendyk. Yager. The door is shut by Denis. Kron. Gobin has the puck. He gets laid out.
That hit just wasn't up to my standards.
Yager shoots it hard. Denis made the save. Right. Stumple put it between his legs.
Nice trick, Ace.
He flattens Lidstrom. Sanderson. Hard shot. Delayed call against Shanahan. Shanahan will serve time for cross-checking.
No one wants to go to the penalty box, Jim, but he kind of has to.
Columbus has a chance to open up its offense.
A one-man advantage like this can be a huge factor. 20 minutes does not a 60-minute game make. Sometimes even I wonder where I come up with this stuff.
Welcome back to the second period, everyone. I'm Jim Hewson.
I never tire of that. Nice delivery, buddy.
Thanks. Menela shot it hard. He missed. Brewer scoops up the loose puck. Shanahan puts an end to this power play as his penalty is over. Denis stoned him. Whitney. Whitney shoots the puck. Columbus picks it up. Joseph makes the save.
He moved that one out of the way like it was a 3-inch chunk of rubber, which it was.
Brewer. The Red Wings come in offside. Harkins. Shalhoun now has the puck. Donato gets a hold of it. Quint gets checked. That's offside. Menela. Whitney. Klesla had the puck. Whitney takes it. Solani. Yzerman grabbed it. Solani grabbed it. Grabbed by Detroit. Robitaille. Whitney. Whitney makes a flashy play.
Worthy of a few camera flashes of its own.
Iserman. Yager now with the puck. Wrist shot turned away by Denis.
Someone said shot, and he said not.
Stumpel. Sanderson with a wrist shot. Lemieux. Shoots the puck. Denis made the brilliant save. Deneen. He gets laid out. Belanger takes possession of the puck. Ruchin fires it. Denis hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Lidstrom shoots the puck right.
There's a fight going on.
You know, Don, some people say this shouldn't be part of the game. Some people say it should, and others are just willing to fight over it.
He knocks him down. The guy said, let's go, so he showed him where he was going.
Shalhoub. Brewer knocks him off the puck.
Some hits come in a special Paul Bunyan size.
Shanahan blasts one. Quint. Shalhoub now has it. Fires hard. Joseph made the save.
He stops the offense in their tracks.
Lemieux, backhand shot. He jumps on the loose puck. Fires it. Denis denied him.
From the goalie, defiance.
Deneen gets bumped off the puck.
And you thought crashing thunder only happened outdoors.
Ference shot the puck. Missed the net. Shatan gets hold of the puck. Neuendijk has it now. Barron grabbed it. Columbus grabs it. Whitney. Shot from the right. Joseph stones him cold. Sillinger shoots. Joseph closes the door.
I hear there are some openings and put the puck in the net 101.
Sillinger. Joseph slams the door shut. Whitney jumps on the loose puck.
The breaks are a key part of the game, though generally not highlight material.
For the environment and take public transit to
Welcome back to the game. Fair to say it's lived up to the hype, no?
Yes.
It has? Or are you saying yes to the no part?
No.
Yes?
Yes.
My head hurts.
White shoots the puck. Right. Columbus jumps to attention at the bench.
Uh-oh. Looks like we got us a situation. A player hurt situation.
Aubin will head off to the dressing room.
There's no way to tell how serious it is, Jim, but there's a good chance we could still see him back in the game.
Stumpel. Stumpel. Wrist shot. He misses the net. Sanderson checks Lemieux. Yager. Stumpel scoops up the loose puck. Lidstrom runs over Sanderson. Chelios took the puck. Shanahan takes it. Lemieux corrals it. It's one-on-one. Denis stoned him cold. Denis hangs on for the whistle. Sanderson got the puck taken out.
The technique he uses for falling down is impeccable.
Lidstrom grabs the puck. Stumpel gets checked.
He's no chicken, but he got lambasted there.
White takes control of the puck. Belanger. Kron takes control. He gets shoved. Neuendijk grabbed the puck. Shoots from the right. Harkins stops the shot. Pushed off the puck.
Oh! And you thought the crash of 29 was something.
Adams now with it. Neuendijk. Shatan now with it. Denis shuts the door.
He may not get to skate around like the other guys, but he's still having fun.
Shot the puck. Right. Gets in the way. Denis denies him. Lemieux jumps on the loose puck. Blasts it from the right. He hits the post. He gets hold of the puck. Shoots! Saved by Denis.
The play came down to him versus the puck, and the guy with the funny mask wins.
Denis has been perfect in this game.
He hasn't faced too many shots, but he's turned aside the ones he has.
Shanahan. Robitaille gets the pass from Joseph Lemieux. Klesla pushes him. Shanahan shoots the puck. Saved by Denis. Yager knocked him off the puck. The ref indicates a delayed call against Columbus. Yager shoots it. Saved by Denis. Grandpierre has been nailed for interference.
Every player argues a penalty they're given, but deep down they know they deserve it.
Detroit now has the upper hand.
Let's see if they can force their opponent's hand and grab a goal on the power play.
Klesla. A little longer to go in the third here with both teams still locked in a draw.
Hey, let me guess. They've got lock draw. Lock draw, Jim, you know. Jeez, Jim, don't you have any funny bones?
No. Yager intercepts the pass. Columbus has that penalty kill over with. Lemieux gets checked. Spacek gets hold of the puck.
He put the puck through his legs just to prove a point. What that point was, I'm not sure.
Van Imp with the puck. Columbus puts its second line out. Salani. Denis makes the save, and he hangs on to the puck.
So, Jim, any guesses as to who's going to win this faceoff?
No. White runs over Whitney. Ruchin takes control of the puck. Sillinger fires it from the left. Detroit gets it. Caberlet gets thrashed. Belanger. That's offside. The faceoff goes to Detroit. Yzerman gets caught offside and play is stopped. Detroit has won a large faceoff.
Let's rock! Both teams want the extra point, and in OT we'll see who wants it more.
A special monthly newsletter and a chance for free tickets and merchandise.
It's the toughest period of hockey. Overtime.
This is gonna be good.
Wright scoops up the loose puck. It's one-on-one. Quint gets laid out.
Yes, sirree, Bob, the big hit. Always a favorite.
It's one-on-one. Robitaille fires it hard. Wright with the puck. Harkins. Columbus makes a line change. Robitaille jumps on the loose puck.
Can we sign off yet?
No, we still have about 2 minutes left to cover.
Minutes. They won't miss us.
Last minute of play in the overtime.
Robitaille fired it hard. Wright takes control of the puck. Yzerman runs over Whitney.
He dished out that medicine in one big dose.
Yager takes the puck. Sillinger shoves him. Lemieux gets hold of the puck. Yzerman gets it. Fires! Grandpierre gets knocked over.
Yes, that's more of what we came here to see.
Shot! Sillinger scores!
That one's got the team jumping like they spotted a giraffe wearing a diamond necklace.
And so ends another chapter in the great book of hockey. Detroit gets a tough break in overtime.
You might want to argue with me on this one, Jim, but I think losing all those...